What this? What heap of things that hide where for come out? But Dyema is like you want kill her and Nyamar. Oh, she need help. Dyema need help.
I am here.
Dyema, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me, darling.
Dyema need help.
Me have 500,000 followers. If you need help, darling, my platform is very big. And I have a lot of influence.
And I say platform in a Jaden is those who for people bigger than who. The whole of them plan to take her down. Why she enough to talk and everybody can talk and cover her down? Something I go on the internet we don't know about, and there is something where Dyema have where if and I like so we don't know about you see if she drop more pan top it, it'll go fuck up the place, it'll go cause people for just want left the internet and things are gonna go wrong. So I don't know how we can do this. No man, but too bad someone wanna like Dyema, wanna have to go put on her feelings aside and try to help her. She don't have that strong backbone they like how Rosa and Akeem have the strong blood clad people them around her.
Well, our people them have to go learn for be strong. Because if a dirt, that them need to say.
Well,
And as that me think too, she not have the support because look upon them people who sit down pan like a plan blood clot to take down the woman and say any page.
I want every two boy them have spell on it two away. And me tell her something. I tell her about Bree, and she go back and tell the man. So I tell her about the woman who book the yard treat her, and I'm afraid that.
Rosa the first one only Yamed will do that. Me not say it right, but she not the only Yamed will do that. I will
we do it too.
right.
Jesus Christ.
Bro, you have some you really have people out there like that, dog.
One woman know what them I say we.
So which vice note she says she have it then Dyema say Rosa me tell Rose something and Rose says and she do it and whatever the case. I'm afraid her. Which vice note that? Which vice note that Dyema send? Why? It's rough, Jaden. Nobody cannot talk for them side of the story. One who want to call down the woman and report the woman page and bully the woman is Rosealee God.
Rose can't be God and shape, so.
I remember God never make her so. So I like to tell God.
Me I wonder if some start make money too or some go like my I am mighty. So Jaden I make money and him no behave so.
You want make money?
Me hear Rosealee talk about me have who for back me already. And if I guns out, I guns out.
You're there.
Me can't send for 3 or 4.
No, sir.
And she have money for back her. What?
You're there. For real?
Is that she say?
Me blood clot.
Is that she say?
So how me no go answer?
Is that she say? Is that she say?
Shay, how me no go answer? You know most of them, let me tell you something. You know most of them rank up on most of them rank up on your son, bro. All of them make money in a dog, you see it. How the fuck me no go answer, bro? Bro, you never hear me a check nobody about me I go shoot up now and me have no 5-6 gun or whatever. Oh, me no go answer, brother. Oh, I can't love the police station, Shay.
Yeah, you know what somebody say, Jaden, me smell you run down to the police.
Yeah, and somebody said, Jaden, me smell you, you run down a police station. Everything you report. Like you're an idiot.
Continue. Like
everything you run go report.
Report, yeah, boy.
What, Shay, when I report out to police station, darling, you save more money.
Right.
Cause you don't have to pay nobody if you do nobody nothing. You see it, you don't have to pay no man. So?
Of course. She have too much bad man, she have too much this, she have too much that, she have too much talk and too much money.
A TikTok make you all of them face.
Everything she say money, 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 money. No, man.
Me never hear that.
And it's not a person who can side chat, you know.
She said she have who fi have. She not have her back.
I wonder if more rice in a prison.
And how much phone call she said she can them come for you and say this and say that. Cause me know you can't come for me, but make me talk. So Akeem, you walking around making rounds. You walk and make link with man. You want man in your circle. Una walk and look man for do things to people. Una crazy. Anything wanna do, me I gonna know. You still want to know who me be? The Lord Mount girl? Yeah. That same Lord Mount girl I know everything. Anything wanna do, me I gonna know. The same Lord Mount girl, me I let it out. You see, anything do not body on the internet where you want them have nothing, Rosealee, none of uno, it'll come right back to blood clot uno because everybody have to talk. Everybody have to go let out everything cause me, I go call pure name. Uno too wicked. So the bag of rounds will now walk around and mark around and go around rounds and I look man and I look group and I look this and I look that. It now go work. Cause pussy anything at all, me I go know. Una evil. Una still want to know who me be? Una still a try to figure out who me really be for true? Why me know so much? Una evil. And anything you do me loading up. You can't set up nobody.
Nobody else.
Yeah. So the bag of rounds one now walk and make rounds. You no go Portmore, you no go this so. Me I go know.
Shay, when I left that alone? When I left that alone?
Me not left nothing. You too wicked.
Jesus Christ.
You not take no more life over ya. None. Not even one more. You crazy. Me not look around you know. Not even one more life you not take over. Not even one. Me not left nothing. Not even one more life I go over ya so. Not even one. The blood of Jesus against the world. Not even one more. Not even one. You not get to that time, yeah. And me I know no blood clad skin.
Stroke it, no blood clot, my friend. Stroke it.
Not
Remember you the
even one
weekend.
more.
I remember you no push
You
over
not
a blood
rest.
clot. Stroke it.
You not rest. Money. And the one on TikTok where I give them on the money, you know, are evil.
Just
Me
like
say, I dying for everybody just go down on them knees and do some fasting for the whole on over here. The whole on people claim to son give them on the money. The whole on applies on evil and everything in a blood clot one. Jaden, leave me alone and come out of my box.
Wait, no.
No. You come out of my box. Don't add nobody in my box. Over here, son, is some fasting. Some fasting, some prayer. Because appear even is not plan with people money. All I know. From Rose to Akeem, the two I know, are evil. Una evil. The two are some evil people. Una evil. Una evil. And you see the people them too wanna go give them on a rose on this on that. Una evil. God I go deal. I leave the whole honor to God. God I go deal with you know. Una not go do with Naya like una not go do nobody over here so whether me and them a friend or not. Nobody. No, una not go hurt nobody over here so whether me and them a friend or not. Nobody. Nobody over here so now. Demons and evil people. And I hold down nothing, sorry. Me get the call and I could hold it down. Sorry. My bad. I could hold it down because cold bomb take me. I could hold it down. Sorry. Cold bomb take me. Me could hold it down. Sorry. Me could hold it down. Me there for talk. Me there for talk, me dear. Right. I'm a could hold it down neither. Me there for talk. No, them tell me because them want me to talk. What you mean? What you think? Me know because them literally want me to say it. They want me to talk. The fuck? You're too evil. No more life now lose over ya. The blood of Jesus. Nobody is now lose no life. The whole away, whether the whole away want to kick off and tear down each other right there so, we're going to keep it right there so. No, we're not going to make no man not all not me to nobody over here so. Make you all I will tear down the internet and I will throw it. We talk back, we friend, the comment section cuss we, them shame we because them say every time them cuss and them talk back. Fine. Make we stick to right this. You see the life taking business. Wanna feel like you want to go take life like you give blood clot life. It not go work. Year before last, the whole of we sit down on TikTok and we ball. We ball for Naya no blood clot. We ball for Naya. We not ball for nobody else over here, darling. Me just say make you know. We not ball for nobody else over here. We ball for Naya, we ball for Bossed. We not ball for nobody else over here, darling. No more tears now shed over here for your soul. The one we got there right here, so we got tear down one of the right blood clot, yes, so. I want to say, yes, so we left it. We're not going to take it off for the internet and behave like so. We're bigger than God and we're bigger than the man, the creator himself. We're not going to behave so. So we're going to sit down right here and talk and tear down. They will go back on screen and laugh and chat again. And they will tear down the blood clot again and everything good again. But you see the bagger, take life business and go around and try to have no money and I recruit this money and that the man and I recruit this. It not go work. Because nobody can. One by one. The police them have investigate, you know. One by one. We not for go down.
Trust me. The police already depend them thing.
Ever since, and she said gun for gun, here they. Ever since you come on the internet, people are lose them life. Ever since you come here, life are lose. Figure it out, threatening you threatening him back. Naya gone, Naya apologize to what him say and him still end up blood clot gone. And him did apologize. And before Naya blood clot gone, Akeem say what him say to blood clot and figure it out. So what him say. And so true now make look money no feel like say yeah, I am mighty and powerful. Who die and leave on in charge? Who die, leave on in charge of the app? What about Akeem so make everybody afraid for call him name because them life I got take? The way all the man take people life, wanna call him bossy. Oh, and bossy, and bossy, and bossy, and bossy, and bossy.
You don't want to say another box? See them are the where them say chat? Them are the whatever they up? When them say them are the whatever they up. I don't know who they are leave them in charge should be that there's something there where them say them are the up, you know.
Bossy and bossy and bossy. One bag of old man miss change your wig. Change your DP. I can't take you all girl in my live, you know. When I go through the menopause stage, when I come off from my internet, come off from my live, right? Because I never share no live send go no. Everybody afraid. Rose afraid of blood clot Akeem. Dyema afraid of Akeem. I'll figure it out himself afraid of Akeem. Akeem, who you be again, yeah, God? Yeah, God. The police them need for watch you, man. Everywhere you go, them for watch you. Yeah, God. And you come here with your vampire teeth and one fantastic form and no weapon form again. And your mama, your wicked mama come over here and God, and there is a God, and every blood clot you like shit. What I'm to know? You think you could have tricked me? I don't care what no one say. But figure it out is a follower.